Cat coronavirus, symptoms and treatment. Cat coronavirus is a disease that worries many families, which is why it is so important that you are properly informed about how it is transmitted, the symptoms experienced by the animal and the treatment to be applied in case of contagion. The coronavirus received its name for the shape of the small crown it has. Its special characteristics make it a particularly dangerous virus, which is why you will have to be very careful and be very attentive if your cat has come into contact with infected animals. In this article, Cat Coronavirus, Symptoms and Treatment, find out everything you need to know about cat coronavirus, its symptoms, and the correct treatment in cases where your cat has caught feline coronavirus. What is cat coronavirus? It is a virus that presents small projections on its exterior, which gives it the characteristic shape of a crown, to which it owes its name. Feline enteric coronavirus is a virus that is not very resistant in the surrounding environment, which makes it easily destructible by high temperatures and disinfectants. This virus has a special predilection for the cells of the epithelium of the cat's intestine, giving rise to mild and chronic gastroenteritis. The virus is expelled through the feces, the main source of contagion. One of the main characteristics of this virus is its ability to mutate, giving rise to another disease, known as feline infectious peritonitis. This is a typical disease of cats less than 1 year old or in elderly, weak, immunocompromised cats living in groups. Symptoms of cat coronavirus. Feline enteric coronavirus produces mild and/or chronic gastroenteritis, resulting in the following symptoms: diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, lethargy, fever. Many cats are quite resistant to the disease, developing no symptoms, passing from being carriers, and eliminating the viruses through the stool. Nevertheless, as we said, the danger of the coronavirus is its mutation, which gives rise to feline infectious peritonitis, FIP. Symptoms of feline infectious peritonitis. Infectious peritonitis in cats is a disease produced by a mutation of the feline enteric coronavirus. It can manifest itself in 2 different ways: dry or without effusion, chronic, and wet or with effusion, acute. Dry, chronic, infectious peritonitis. Symptoms. In the first, the virus can affect multiple organs, generating a wide variety of symptoms, such as weight loss, anemia, lack of appetite, lethargy, fever, depression, accumulation of liquid, uvite, edema. Infectious wet peritonitis, acute. Symptoms. The wet form is characterized by the formation of fluids in the animal's body cavities, such as the peritoneum and pleura, abdominal and thoracic cavity. Thus, its symptoms would be inflamed abdomen, diarrhea, fever, lethargy, lack of appetite, constipation, inflammation of lymphatic nodules, inflammation of the kidneys in both forms, fever, lack of appetite, and lethargy. The animal is not attentive to its surroundings and takes longer to react to stimuli, are observed in cats. The life expectancy of a cat infected with feline coronavirus. The life expectancy of a cat with coronavirus will vary according to the severity of the disease, although both forms shorten the life of the animal considerably. Wet feline infectious peritonitis, which is the most severe form of coronavirus in cats. The disease can end the life of a cat between 5 and 7 weeks from the time the mutation occurs. In the case of dry feline infectious peritonitis, a cat's life